Welcome to the channel that leads you to financial freedom, the place where we unlock the secrets to financial success and inspire you to achieve your loftiest goals. Have you ever dreamed of making $1 million? Well, you're not alone. In fact, millions of people worldwide share that same dream. But what if we told you that becoming a millionaire is not as far-fetched as it may seem? Making $1 million might seem like a lofty goal, especially if you've never earned high figures before. But did you know that around 1,700 new millionaires are created every single day? That's over 620,000 new millionaires every year. So why can't you be one of them? Stay tuned as we unravel the possibilities, and who knows, one of these paths may just resonate with you and ignite the spark for your own journey to financial success. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and explore our hand-picked videos for even more inspiration. Making your first million is not a dream. It's an achievable goal, and we're here to help you get there. With that said, let's explore these 15 ways to make that elusive $1 million. We begin at number 1. Be in the top 1% of a lucrative profession. Shocking, right? One surefire way to reach $1 million is by excelling in a high-paying profession. Think doctors, lawyers, or upper management roles. In the US and Europe, these fields typically earn over $150,000 annually. But here's the kicker. If you truly excel and specialize, you can double or even triple that figure. Sales is another lucrative path. The top 1% of salespeople earn over $250,000 annually, potentially reaching the $1 million mark in just 4 years. Sales skills are universally valuable, so it's worth honing them. Next, number 2, write several books that sell. You don't need to write the next Harry Potter to make millions from books. In fact, becoming a New York Times best-selling author only requires selling around 5,000 to 10,000 books, especially if you've been on the list before. Keep writing and publishing until one of your books becomes a hit. Amanda Hocking, for example, made over $2.5 million from self-published novels that publishers initially rejected. If you have an audience, your readers will support your work, even pre-ordering it to join you on your journey. Number 3, license a patent or trademark to a big company. Innovation can be your ticket to wealth. If you can solve a problem better than existing solutions, you might be sitting on a gold mine. Lonnie Johnson's story is a shining example. He invented the Super Soaker, but licensed the technology to Hasbro, earning over $100 million from this deal alone. Protecting your ideas is essential, even without a formal patent. Document your invention meticulously, seal it in an envelope, and mail it to yourself to establish a date-stamped record. Tip number 4, start a dropshipping company under your own label. Dropshipping is a fascinating business model. Essentially, you find a supplier who manufactures, packages, and delivers products, while your role is to drive sales. Take weight loss tea, for instance. You buy it for $5, sell it for $20, and pocket the $15 difference. Greta Van Riel's success story in the fitness tea niche is worth exploring. Within 6 months, she was making over $500,000 per month. The potential for such income is real, especially if you identify the right product and audience. Point 5. Start a small business and keep growing. Starting a small business and nurturing its growth is a fundamental step on the path to becoming a millionaire. This entrepreneurial journey is all about identifying problems and providing solutions, mastering the art of generating revenue, and gradually expanding your operation. Whether you have a groundbreaking idea or you're looking to enter a niche market, creating a business from the ground up can be immensely rewarding. It's a journey filled with challenges and triumphs, but with persistence and a well-thought-out strategy, your small business can evolve into a thriving source of wealth. Number 6. Aggressively save money and invest in index funds. Harness the power of compound interest to build wealth. Saving just 10% of your income can result in $1 million over 40 years. But why wait that long? Increase your earnings, savings, and investments. Consider putting your money into index funds such as the S&P 500, which has historically yielded an average of 10% yearly returns. Vanguard and Robinhood are reputable platforms for such investments. If you want a safer way to grow your wealth, Dive into Tony Robbins' book, Money, Master the Game. 70. Participate in an initial coin offering, ICO. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a wild frontier of wealth creation. ICOs, or initial coin offerings, are a form of crowdfunding where a company issues tokens to fund a digital service. While we advise caution when investing in ICOs, the real opportunity lies in creating your blockchain-based venture and securing private investors. Only after gaining traction should you consider a public ICO. Tip number 8. Purchase a franchise and make it thrive. If you're not particularly inclined toward creative entrepreneurship, consider investing in a franchise as a viable path to amassing wealth. Franchises offer the advantage of established brands and proven business models that can be replicated for success. While there's a wide range of investment levels, from lower-cost options to more substantial commitments, franchises like Dunkin' Donuts have proven lucrative for many franchisees. In exchange for a franchise fee and a percentage of earnings, you gain access to ongoing support and a business framework that has already proven its profitability. This avenue provides a structured and potentially less risky approach for those aspiring to build their path to millionaire status. On to number 9, create a subscription service with 1,000 subscribers. Unlocking the path to millionaire status can be as simple as offering a subscription service that attracts 1,000 loyal subscribers paying $83 per month. Subscription-based models like the success stories of Netflix, Apple Music, and Tidal have proven their incredible earning potential. The key to success in this venture lies in understanding the numbers and finding a service that not only attracts but retains customers over the long term. With the right product or service and a dedicated customer base, you can turn this subscription model into a substantial and consistent source of income on your journey to financial success. Point 10. Work for a multimillionaire or billionaire. Working for a successful and wealthy mentor can significantly expedite your journey to financial success. Building a solid foundation of trust and respect is crucial in such arrangements. Avoid bombarding your mentor with unsolicited ideas. Instead, focus on contributing value and learning from their experiences. It's important to note that approximately 1 in 5 millionaires actually work for someone else, not as entrepreneurs. By aligning yourself with a successful individual, you can gain invaluable insights and connections that may lead to substantial wealth opportunities. Point 11. Go viral on YouTube. YouTube has transformed into a dynamic platform where going viral can lead to substantial earnings. Creators across various niches, whether it's entertainment, product reviews, or educational content, have the potential to earn millions through advertising and brand endorsements. Success on YouTube is not just about creating content, but also understanding your target audience and the trends within your chosen niche. It's a platform that offers multiple avenues for achieving success and financial gain, making it a viable path to millionaire status for those with creativity and dedication. Point 12. Run a blog with 41 million monthly views. Blogging remains a powerful way to accumulate wealth, as demonstrated by success stories like Scott DeLong's Viral Nova. Building a substantial readership and achieving 41 million monthly views is undoubtedly challenging, but it's attainable with the right strategies. By consistently publishing engaging content and effectively leveraging social media platforms, you can gradually expand your blog's reach. This approach requires patience, dedication, and a keen ability to spot and ride the right trends. But it can lead to significant financial rewards and help you achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire. Point number 13. Create an app with 1 million users. Apps still offer substantial earning potential for those who can provide value to users. Successful apps generate revenue through in-app purchases or subscriptions, making them a lucrative business venture. The key to success lies in creating an app that not only solves a problem, but also keeps users engaged and willing to spend within the app. This requires a deep understanding of user needs, market trends, and effective marketing strategies. With dedication and the right approach, building an app with 1 million users can be a gateway to achieving millionaire status in the modern digital landscape. Number 14. Get over 100,000 Twitch subscribers. Live streaming, especially on platforms like Twitch, has witnessed explosive growth, and top streamers can earn substantial incomes from paid subscriptions, viewer donations, and sponsorships. To reach the milestone of 100,000 subscribers, it's essential to consistently produce high-quality content, interact with your audience, and strategically collaborate with brands. With determination and the right content, achieving 100,000 Twitch subscribers can pave the way to millionaire status for those passionate about live streaming and gaming. Point 15. Buy, flip, repeat. Embracing the age-old strategy of buying low and selling high can be applied across various markets, from sneakers and cars to houses and antiques. Benjamin Kicks, for instance, made over $1 million annually by reselling sneakers. The key is to understand what people are willing to pay for items and acquire them at a lower cost. Truly making use of the term, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Success in this venture requires in-depth market knowledge, negotiation skills, and the ability to spot valuable opportunities. By mastering the art of buying, flipping, and repeating, you can build substantial wealth and achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire through savvy investment and trading strategies. And for those of you who've stuck with us until the end, here's a bonus idea. Tip number 16. Come up with an original crazy idea. Let your creativity run wild and think beyond the norm. There are countless stories of individuals who struck gold with unique, offbeat concepts. From selling pet rocks to pixelated websites, success can emerge from the most unconventional ideas. So, which path to $1 million resonates with you? Share your thoughts in the comments and we'll provide feedback. Remember, making your first million is an achievable goal. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our hand-picked videos for more inspiration. We appreciate your commitment, and we'll be back with more insights tomorrow.